Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Simple Car Guy channel. Today we're on a mission to make this car sound a little bit better. And I wanted to start by replacing the resonator with this straight pipe. Now this straight pipe is from Super Sprint and it's part of the bigger exhaust system for this car. Speaking of this car, there's only a couple companies that actually make exhaust systems for a BMW Z4 E89 with the N20 engine. So there's not a lot of choice, but I think this might be a good one. This system comes in different modules in a way, so you can get the resonator delete, you can get a sports muffler, you can get a downpipe, so you kind of get to pick and choose which part you want to replace, or you can replace the entire system. For me, I decided to start with the resonator just because I think this will give me the most refined sound from a stock engine. Now, of course, I could have, deleted the entire muffler. I could have put straight pipes and just left it at that, but I believe that wouldn't give me a very refined and nice sounding exhaust note. And to me, the whole goal of doing this is to get those burbles and those downshifts to sound a little bit better, especially when I'm going 20, 30, 40 miles an hour. I want to actually hear them when I'm in the car. The way I have it now, I can't really hear it past probably 20 miles an hour. So that's kind of what I'm trying to achieve here. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll find out by the end of the video. And the great thing about this is that if I'm not satisfied with the way it sounds after just replacing this part, I can easily go ahead and purchase the sports muffler from the same company that will just bolt into the pipes that are already there, and that will give me a much better or a much more improved sound, especially combined with the resonator delete. So that's kind of what I like about it. Let's see if it actually helps the sound. I'll record a little clip right now to see what the car sounds prior to any modifications, and then we'll see what it sounds like after we get this installed. Now, to make one thing clear, I am not installing this myself, just because I am not a welder. I have never welded in my life, so I don't think it would be a good idea for me to, try it for the first time on this car. Maybe I'll practice first, on some scrap metal or something, but I'm not going to be doing my first job on this car. My local shop offered to do this for only about 50 bucks, so I think it's definitely worth it. Now, let's not waste any more time. Record that, before video and get to installing this. And if you'd like one of these soft touch silicone license plate holders, check out a link down in the description. Well guys, what do you think? Was it worth removing the resonator and replacing it with a straight pipe? I guess that really depends on your expectations. In my case, I got exactly what I wanted. A slightly louder and deeper note with great popping and crackling on downshifts. I also got a little bit of a turbo spooling up sound, which is a nice bonus. It wasn't something that I was expecting to get. Now that I know what the car sounds like without the resonator, should I have gone with the muffler delete instead? Absolutely not. I think the car would be too loud and a little bit obnoxious, especially on those cold starts, and that's not really what I'm trying to do with this car. Obviously, if I find a really good price on a sport muffler, I might install one of those in the future, but for now, I'm very happy with the results, and I'm gonna keep it as is. Another question that I wanted to answer that I know a lot of you will ask, and that's whether there is any kind of exhaust drone at higher speeds. And I'm happy to report that there is no drone of any kind at normal driving highway speeds. And by that I mean 55 to about 75 miles an hour. The only negative and complaint that I have or noticed so far is a slightly weird empty sound for about 5 seconds when the car starts up. It, it almost sounds like there's nothing for the exhaust to push out, so it's kind of like an empty sound. Difficult to explain, but I'll try to capture it and include it in the end of the video. The rest of the time, it sounds great. I love it. Well, guys, that's about it for this video. I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.